Alright guys, so today's video is about the preview of the Oraimo FreePods Lite. Now this is a new earbud coming from Oraimo Smart Accessories, and it comes with a lot of fantastic features. Oraimo will be releasing two earbuds into the market very soon. So we have the Oraimo FreePods Lite and the Oraimo FreePods 3C. The Oraimo FreePods Lite will be kind of like the Oraimo FreePods Pro that we have some time ago, while the Oraimo FreePods 3C will be the successor to the Oraimo FreePods 3, the 2BB edition that we all know about. So today's video is just to share with you the features and some things to expect from this Oraimo FreePods Lite. And if you are new here, my name is babsomotden. I do a lot of reviews on smartwatches and earbuds, so if that really interests you, please consider subscribing to the channel right now. Hit the notification bell by the side so that I can get notified once I post useful video like this one. Without wasting much of your time, let's get down to business. Starting with the price is not out yet, so I don't know how much Oraimo is going to sell it here in Nigeria, but I know that this guy is going to be as cheap as the Oraimo FreePods 4. This one, yeah, it's going to be as cheap as this, and is probably going to be around 20-something thousand naira because it comes with the word light. So anything that is light, if you are conversant with the word light in this tech niche, you will know that anything light comes with a lower version or a little downgrade from the normal or the flagship phones or the flagship stuff. So from this, I think it should be around 20-something thousand naira, which would be around $30 US or thereabouts. So let's talk about the design. I can't say anything much about the build quality, but from what I've seen, I think the design is okay. It looks just like the Oraimo FreePods Pro, just as I said earlier, and also it comes with this transparent lid. So when you open it, you are likely to see how transparent the casing is. You are going to be getting this Oraimo FreePods Lite in three colors. We have the Nobela blue, the Phantom black, and the Ice Lake blue. So I don't know why Oraimo decided to go the phone route this time around, giving this Oraimo FreePods Lite colors from phones, but well, that's what it is, and I think that is what we are going to be calling them: Nobela black, Sunshine blue, and now let's move over to the sweet spot of this Oraimo FreePods Lite. First of it is that you'll be able to use it with the Oraimo Sound App. That means you'll be able to customize your listening, you'll be able to tweak it to your own taste, you'll be able to do a lot of things with it, and this guy just gives you the freedom to do whatever you want using the Oraimo Sound App. And also, it comes with Bluetooth 5.3 version, which is the latest Bluetooth version in the market right now. One of the other features that I think you should know about this new Oraimo FreePods Lite is the 2-mic ENC, which is 2-mic environmental noise cancellation. Though the Oraimo FreePods 3 and Oraimo FreePods 4 comes with 4-mic, and this comes with 2-mic, and this 2-mic is same thing on the Oraimo Reef. I don't know why Oraimo made it 2-mic, but from what I've seen so far and the information, I think this will be good for call also. Just wait for the call quality test. Other information that I got on this Oraimo FreePods Lite includes IPX4 waterproof rating, which means that if you are going to the gym with this Oraimo FreePods Lite, you have nothing to worry about. If you are sweating on it previously, you don't have to worry about anything. Even in light showers of rain, you don't have to worry about it. Just use your stuff and you are good to go. But you don't have to dip it in water. So I think you should know that. Talking about ANC, I don't think this Oraimo FreePods Lite will be coming with the active noise cancellation feature. From what I've seen, I don't think this guy is going to come with active noise cancellation feature. No much difference between this and the Oraimo FreePods 3 and likely other earbuds. But from the battery aspect of it, this will be giving us 40 hours in total. That means 7 hours on a single charge and 33 hours with the charging case. Before I round up this video, I have to tell you that Oraimo also claims that this guy is going to give you 10 minutes quick charge and a fast quick charge. You charge it for 10 minutes, you are going to be getting 120 minutes of listening. So in case you are in a hurry and you have a flat battery on it already, you can just charge it up for 10 minutes and you are going to be getting 120 minutes. Guys, I can't wait to test out that feature. And the last but not the least is the gaming mode. The gaming mode It's likely to work and it may not work, I don't know, but once it comes, I'm going to test that out too. If you have any question, you can drop it down there in the comment section. I don't want to make this video a long one because it's just a preview video. Please share this video, subscribe to the channel if you are new here, and I'll see you on the next one. Please stay safe. Bye for now. Peace.